Good morning students. Welcome to online teaching session of Academic World School Bhimitra. Today in this lecture we are going to learn about the other prepositions. In our previous video we learned about some prepositions which are commonly used. Today we will learn about other commonly used prepositions. Okay, like above, over, between, among, from, since, for, across, through, after, before, behind, beside, still and until. These are also commonly used prepositions which we use in our daily life. Before starting this, I would like to tell you that please take one notebook and pen so that whatever will be delivered in this lecture you can note it down. So let's start. Before starting these preposition, I would like to revise the preposition. What is preposition? Preposition is a word that connects a noun or pronoun to the verb or something else in the sentence. Like Ram is sitting under the tree. So here in this, under is a preposition and this under is connecting two words. The sitting, which is a verb, to the another word, tree, which is common noun. So these two words are sitting and tree. Sitting and trees are connected with the help of under. So let's see the examples of these prepositions. First of all, we will see the use of over. What is the use of over? So before telling about this, we learned about the kinds also in the previous lecture. Kinds of preposition. What are the kinds of preposition? Preposition of time, preposition of place, direction, movement, manner, instrumentality and other things. So we will see with the use of these prepositions that what kind of aspect these prepositions are showing. Okay. So use of over. Over tells us about which is some above of something, or sometimes it will tell us, it will give us the sense of that something is being covered. How something is being covered? Like water flows over the plants. Okay, here it is in the sense of covering the plants. Okay, and plants are in the contact of this water. Sometimes it would be in the sense of a blanket over the baby. Here this is also in the form of covering. It may be half partially covering or completely covering. So here this is telling about in the contact of something which is covering something. So these two are telling about the covering of something. Okay. Next, this will tell us about the opposite direction. Like something is a particular place. Like she lives over there. Here this is telling about the other side. The other side. So this is telling about the place which is the other side. Okay. Sometimes it will give us the sense of crossing something. Like the dog jumped over the wall, horse jumped over the fence from one side to another. So over the wall, over the fence. Okay, so this is telling the sense of crossing. Okay, so here I have given you one phrase, and here these two phrases are showing the over. Now let's see the example of above. What above shows? Above shows that we are flying above the clouds. So here this is giving the sense of higher than something. Okay, higher than or higher place of something, higher than something. Sometimes it will give us the sense of higher position. How? Like inspector ranks above sub-inspector. So here this is giving the sense of higher position. Sometimes it will give us the sense of beyond, which is out of reach. Like this car is above me. So here this is giving us the sense of that it is out of my reach. I cannot control, I cannot afford this. So this is out of reach, or we can say beyond. Okay. Above gives us the sense of seniority also. How? Like fourth example of above, Manish is above 40. So here this is giving us the sense of seniority of a person. Okay. Now let's see the examples of between and among. When we use them, generally we get confused that where do we use between and where do we use among. So between is used for two person or two things, like the apple is divided between Ram and Shyam. So here we have two person, Ram and Shyam, and here we have used this between. And among will be used when we have more than two things or more than two person, like the apples are divided among the students. So here we have more than two students, so this will be telling us about the students, means but especially more than two. If two students will be here, then we will use between. But here this amount is giving us the sense of that the students, the number of something is more than 2. Okay, let's see the example of from. From gives us the sense of time, as we learnt in the previous lecture. From was used with the to. It was giving a particular time. From this time to that time, a time period was there. From this time to till that time. So here it is used with the to, and it will give us the sense of time, like from 5 or from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. Okay, so here it is used with the with 2, and it is giving a time. Okay, this is also used to show the changement of product, like butter is made from milk. Okay, sometimes it will give us the different sense. He is coming from Delhi. Okay, then so in this here, what is this showing us? Butter is made from milk. Here this is showing the changement of product, and this is showing here a particular starting point. Starting point. Okay, so After this, we will see the examples of since. As in tenses, we use since and for to tell about, to show the time in perfect continuous tenses. Okay, since is used to show a particular point of time and for is used to show a period of time. So here we will see where since is used, and it is used in all kinds of perfect continuous tenses, like since Monday, July, any name of month or any year may be there. Okay, any year would be given here. So it is giving a particular time, or it may be a clock time also, since 5 o'clock. Okay. So in this form it will give us. It is used in all perfect continuous tenses. Clear? To show the particular point of time. Let's see the examples of for. This is also used in perfect continuous tenses. Okay, to show the period of time. Perfect continuous tenses, to show a period of time. How it will show the period of time? Let's see the example. Like for 2 hours, 2 months, 2 days. Okay. Or year may be there. So like that. Okay. Except this time. So here this is showing time. This since is showing here time. Okay. And here this from is also showing the time. But all are different how they are showing. For is used to show the different aspects also. How? Let's see 5 examples. Use of for. I work for pleasure. Okay, or money may be there. Then it will show the different thing also. Here it is showing that purpose. Clear? Then sometimes it will show the reason also. She got prize for her bravery. See, what is this showing here? This is showing here reason. Sometimes it will show us the to show the cost of something, like I bought this pen for 10 rupees. Clear? So here this is showing the cost of something. It shows support also. How? We will vote for him. So here this is showing support. One more example. What here it will be showing that I here write support. Okay. And it will show us the destination also. How it will show? He left for Mumbai. So here this is showing a place which is destination. So we saw So many aspects this for is showing. Okay. Now let's see the examples of across and through. How across is shown and what it is, how it is used in the sentences. Like she lives across the road. Another example, we swam across the river. Here in this across is showing the place, this across is showing the movement. How it is showing the place, this is telling about the other side of the road, the other side of something, and this is showing the movement from one side to another side. So, and here how, and I told you that movement will be used with the action verb. So this is action verb, swam is the second form of swim, and this is an action verb, movement is happening, that's why it is used with here across, and this is from one side to another. So this is showing movement also from one side to another, and this is telling about the other side of the road. Then after and before. Across, after across, through is also there. How through is bruised. Through will be showing, it also shows the movement, how like through a tunnel or through a forest, through the tunnel or through a forest, like that here. But this is how this is showing movement. This will show the movement in a particular closed area which will be covered by something. Like here in the forest, trees are there, tunnel, it is a covered place, covered lane, so where the person is moving from one side to another. But in across, that was the open place, and where we are using that in the movement in from one side to another side. So that will be here again movement is happening, but here this is open place, but this is closed place, tunnel and forest. So this will also use for movement, but in a closed area. Sometimes it will tell us about the means or agency also. Like for example, I came to know this through him. So here this is the resource person. Okay, through him I came to know this. So here this is telling about agency, or we can say means. Let's see the examples of after. How after is used. He came after 9. Put the verb after the subject. Okay, sometimes it will tell us the policeman ran after the thief. In all these three sentences, this is giving us different aspects. How here this is giving that time. 9, after 9 o'clock, he came after 9. Here this is giving a sequence of something. So you can sequence of anything, sequence of something, sequence of any plan. Okay, the policeman ran after the thief. It is giving us the sense of like following someone or something. Okay, so follow. To follow. Clear? Let's see the example of before. Before also gives us the sense of time, like he reached here before 10. This is here giving us the sense of time. Okay, then it is used to show the presence also, like the thief was presented before the judge. So here this is giving the sense of presence. Okay, and this is time. Clear? Next, see the example of behind. How behind is used. Behind also tells us about the place, how it shows the place, that he lives behind my house. The place which is at the back. So at the back. Okay. At the back. So this is showing here place also. Then sometimes it will show us the position of someone or something, like Ram is behind in all the subjects. So this is telling about the progress or position of a person. Okay. Progress in sense of backwardness. In the sense of backwardness. Clear? Then it shows sometimes support also. How we the whole village was behind the serpent. So here this is giving the sense of support. Okay. Let's see the example of beside and besides. Somewhere we use in place of beside besides, but a huge difference is there. Okay, between them. How beside is used? Beside means by the side of something. Means it gives us the sense of nearness. She was sitting beside her mother. Come and sit beside me. So by the side. Okay. Sometimes it will give us the sense of comparison. How comparison? He looks smart beside his brother. So here this is giving us the sense of comparison. Okay. Besides. Now use of besides. Besides means in addition to something. How? Here S is there and in this without S. Okay. So besides means in addition to. How? Like besides moral support, he gave me money also. Okay. He, besides moral support, he gave me money also. Means with the money he gave me moral support. He gave me. He did not give me only moral support, but also gave me money. So in addition to, this is giving us the sense of in addition to. In addition to moral support, he helped me by money. Then Let's see the examples of till and until. Till tells us to the time or till the time. Like we should write this up to the time. Okay, and until will give us the sense of up to the time or before also. It may happen before the given time also, but here it gives us the sense of up to the time, till the time. How? Like we work till 4 o'clock. Okay, so for this we will use till. Until will be used do not go until I come back. It may happen that by the given time person may come earlier. Okay, so here that's why it is written before. So okay, it may, and generally it is used with the negative sentences also, like not before, as I have given here, not before. Okay, so and then let's see another example. We cannot eat until all relatives arrive. Okay, arrive. So here this is up to the time or before the given time, means the finishing, ending line of the time. Clear? So here this is giving the sense before finishing, before the end of the time, and this is completing the time, till the particular time. Okay, we work till 4 o'clock. So I hope these prepositions would help you to frame your own sentences. Regarding this, I have given the assignments. I hope all the preposition you would have got properly. So complete the assignment. Its assignment has been uploaded on the ERP. Complete it on time. Thank you. Have a nice day.